So you want to make money online? You want to do it fast? Well, I'm going to show you a couple ways how you can make money online fast, doing it with methods that I've used in the past to make money with affiliate links. All right, stay tuned with this video and I'm going to show you exactly how you can get this done starting today. All right, guys, so today we're going to be talking about some easy ways to make money online fast. And we're going to be talking about this. We're going to go into detail and show you some things that I used to do mainly to make money before I got into high-ticket affiliate marketing. All right, but before we get started, my name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing. I'm here to help you along your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. All right, and if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell to get notified about when I do drop these videos. And if you have any comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future, and I'll make that happen. If you do happen to have any questions about today's content, post them below and I'll be sure to reply. All right, guys, let's get started with today's easy ways to make money online quick and easy and fast. All right, I'm about to show you some shit that's going to blow your mind and can really start making you money with a little bit of upfront spending. All right, so the first product here, the first website is muncheye.com. So it's muncheye.com. This site is a site that shows digital product launch dates. So it goes through and it shows you a bunch of launch dates for products coming out in the next month or so, right? So what we want to do is we want to get ahead of these products. We want to do reviews on these products as they come out, before they come out, so we can already have a blog or a video or something in place already ranking in Google. So when these super affiliates start promoting this product, some people will buy on their email list. So a super affiliate sends out an email. Some people buy on that email, but most people will go to Google and search and look for reviews on this stuff. So you want to be in the top search results of Google and YouTube when these drop. All right. So let's go over here and let's go ahead and get started, right? So let's just pick one of these. We'll pick VidSpy, okay? I'm not even sure what this is, but we're just going to pick VidSpy. It's a Warrior Plus product. Warrior Plus is pretty cool. And it's nothing to get signed up for Warrior Plus. Let me go ahead and log over here to Warrior Plus and let that load while we're jumping around, okay? So Warrior Plus is a pretty easy site to get signed up with. Just sign up for an account. It's very easy. You just come in here, you join, you go to the page that asks for the affiliate JV page. So what you want to do is you want to search VidSpy. You want to make sure you keep that VidSpy. What is VidSpy? You want to go to the JV page. So let's go ahead and go over to this page. This is where we're going to get all our information, guys. So that JV page is going to show us everything about this product. All right, it's going to give us some information on the product. It's going to give us some information on the sales funnel. It's going to give us affiliate links. It's going to give us docs, sales page previews, all kinds of stuff here. All right, so this is where we're going to get the link to promote it, and we're going to promote it with Warrior Plus over here. All right, so we can get our affiliate links, we can get our swipes for emails, a sales page preview. So guys, this is pretty major. All this information, this is all you need to make a review on your blog. And I'm going to show you what you need to do to get your blog started, to get your video started, or whatever it is. This is basically the sales page that people would be going to purchase this product. All right. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to come over here and we're going to try to contact this guy here. So one of the things we want to do is we want to just preview some of the stuff on here so we can take some of this stuff and put it in our blog post, talk about it on our video, post it in our Facebook page that we'll create. All right, so we want to reach out to these guys. We want to reach out to one of these guys. These are the creators. I think the main creator, what was his name? I think it was Robert Phillips, right? So we want to go back over here and look for Robert Phillips. So Robert Phillips was here at the bottom. We want to reach out to Robert. So we want to reach out to him on Facebook, on Skype, try to catch him and ask him for a review page of this product. All right. So what they'll do is they'll give you a review page, and a lot of times they'll give you free access to the product so you can promote it. All right. So you can get a good review of this product before it actually launches. So that's what we want to do. We want to reach out to these guys and see if we can get a review page so we can get some information so we can write a review about this product before it actually drops. And we can write a review just from the information that we see on this, on all this information. So you got launch stock, affiliate links, swipes, etc. All right. So once we have this information, we know what product we want to go after. We want to go get a domain name, and we want to get some hosting. So we can get hosting. Who I use is Bluehost.com. This is probably the cheapest place to go. You can go get hosting. It's like $4 a month. All right, so it's not. This is peanuts, guys. This is little money. $4 a month. You can get for your domain hosting. So you want to get your hosting. I would buy your domain from Namecheap. This is where I go. You can get domains freaking real cheap, under $10 a year. So search for a domain that makes sense, something that is close with the VidSpy. So VidSpy review or something like that, right? So you want to get a domain that you can use to do maybe just digital product reviews or something like that, right? So you want to get a domain that's not being used, and you want to find a cool name. Once you find it, purchase it, and sign up to Bluehost for hosting and host that domain so you can open a WordPress blog. So what you're going to be doing, you want to go to WordPress, after you get the hosting, you want to install a WordPress theme and create a blog. So what I would recommend you do if you're not familiar with starting a blog is just go out to YouTube and say, how do I launch a WordPress blog on Bluehost? And you'll get 100,000 different videos, and it'll take you probably 15 minutes to set up. It's real simple, easy, guys. Once you do it on one hosting platform, you can figure out and do it on all. I've done it on many different hosting platforms, and it's very simple. All right. So that's what we want to do. So we got our domain, we got our our WordPress blog set up on our hosting platform with Bluehost. Okay. So we're all done with that piece. Okay. The next thing we want to do is start writing our review of the VidSpy Alpha. And what we want to do is either we want to write it ourselves, or we could just go over here to Fiverr and pay somebody to write an article for it. I would recommend just going through all this information here on this site, the launch docs and all that fun stuff, and get the information you need for this product and write about it. All right, so it's very easy to do. I would recommend you write your own articles, because why pay for somebody to do it when you could do it yourself? And it's rather easy. Just make it about at least 500 characters, 500 to 1,000 characters. I mean, words, and just write an article. All right. It's very easy to write a review article when you got the information at hand, especially when they send you the review page. You could copy and paste a lot of that information right into your blog post. All right. So that's your blog. Now you got your blog, you got your article. The next thing we want to do is put some backlinks to our blog. I know you're probably thinking, what the fuck is a backlink? But a backlink is very simple to use, and it's just a very simple thing to go find. So you want to go to like a Fiverr, Conquer, or Black Hat links, something like that. Fiverr, you just come in here and search social bookmarking, and come in here and you'll see I will advertise your website for HQ bookmark. Just go through here and find somebody with some good reviews. You can get them. Most people will do it pretty cheap. Let's just go to her, for instance. This chick, well, she's a bad one. She don't have no reviews. She might be actually a good one to get, because you probably get it for dirt cheap. All right, so we want to find somebody with some decent reviews. This guy's got 4.9. I will advertise your website by HQ bookmark on 100 social sites. So that's pretty cool. You just want to go down here and read reviews. Make sure it's somebody that has done something and isn't ripping people off. All right, you don't want somebody to send a bunch of bots to your site and they be shit. All right, so That's Fiverr. Just search social bookmarking for that, or you can go to Conquer, Conker. Conquer is more based around SEO and stuff like that. So you just come in here and you look for the same thing. Created links. There's all kinds of stuff in here for backlinking your website. It's the same thing. Just find somebody that'll backlink. Now you want to backlink slowly, guys. You don't want to hurry up and like push tons and tons and tons of hundreds and hundreds of backlinks to your site eventually at the same time, because Google will block you and it'll just crush your blog. So you wanted to do a campaign like once a week. All right, so you just want to get that ranking. So what this is going to do is going to get your ranking up. One of the sites I recommend is Black Hat Links. So if you go to Black Hat Links, this is probably one of the best sites for backlinking. Just go to Social Signals, and start a campaign with this. It's rather cheap. You can pay, you can pay with packages, 300 of them for $39 or $44 a month. You could do it that way, or you can just do and what this is, they just drip this amount of backlinks to your site every 30 days. You could do just custom one-time package and create it yourself. So you just go through here, I want 50, 50, 20, 50, 40, whatever it is, right? And you can make up whatever your price budget point is. All right. So Black Hat is one that I would definitely use, but if you don't have the money, just go to Fiverr and get some $5, $10 backlinks started and just get them pushing to your blog. All right. So what did we talk about so far? We talked about going to muncheye.com, finding a product. Once you find the product, in this case, we're going with VidSpy. And once we go find the product, we're going to find a domain name, host it, get a WordPress blog. All right. Write a review or pay somebody on Fiverr to write our review for us for, $20. Once we get the review written, we can do a Facebook page on the same thing, VidSpy review or VidSpy, whatever. Just make something VidSpy something, right? So when people search VidSpy, it'll bring up your Facebook like page. And you could do the social branding or backlinks to your Facebook page as well. So when somebody searches on Google VidSpy review, it'll bring up your Facebook like page. It could bring up your WordPress blog. And I highly recommend you do videos on YouTube, because it's very easy to get ranked in Google with YouTube, because Google owns YouTube. All right. So you're already got a little advantage if you use video. So I would also recommend doing video, but if you don't like doing video, it's okay. WordPress works just fine to do these blog posts. All right. So, and guys, when you go into Muncheye, don't just pick one product, pick like 15, 20 products. All right. So pick like 5 to 10 products and go do this for each product. All right. So you don't have to buy a domain for each product. You can buy your domain, maybe it's Digital Reviews, Rocker, or whatever it is, right? So you buy your domain and then you do blog posts on each of the products, and you take that link to that product article, and that's what you want backlinked. All right. So you want these articles backlinked, and you want your Facebook like pages. You could create as many like pages as you want, and I would create a like page for each product. All right. And also you want to do a YouTube review on each product. And YouTube reviews are the same way. You just take your link to your YouTube channel, send it to these guys, send it to Conquer or someone on Fiverr like this guy, and rock and roll. All right. So guys, this is plain, simple, easy, and introduction to affiliate marketing that will make you money. I'm telling you guys, you can make a ton of money doing this, and it just takes a little bit of time and a little bit of upfront money. I'm talking about under $50, under $100 in your first month, and you will make money. All right. So try this method out, guys. Let me know how it worked out for you in the comments, or reach out to me on DM if you have any questions in the comments about what steps to do. Remember, you go to Muncheye, you pick a product, you go to Bluehost, you go to Namecheap, pick your domain, go to Bluehost, get your let's go ahead and just do that real quick. I'm going to write this down. because I know it's complicated. So first thing we want to do is you go to muncheye.com, pick out a product, all right? Pick a product. So Muncheye, pick a product, Namecheap, pick a domain, Bluehost, host your domain, install WordPress, write an article about each product. Remember, you want about 10 products. Product. I can't type for shit, as you can see. And backlink. All right, so you want to buy backlinks. You want to also do a video and like page. Video and like page. Of course, if you don't want to do a video, you don't have to. I would highly recommend you do a like page, just because these are the steps right here. Go to Muncheye, pick your products, preferably, 5, 10 products, 5 to 10 products. Namecheap, pick your domain. Bluehost, host your domain. Install WordPress. And guys, you can find videos to help you do all this stuff. Write an article or pay somebody on Fiverr to do it. Make a video about the review, like page about the review, and do backlinks to each one of your articles and your videos. All right. This will get you ranked in Google really fast. And as soon as they drop, I'm telling you guys, you will make money off this, because most people that are getting email in these lists. So what's happening is on Muncheye, you got super affiliates that send out these. They'll send this product to their list of 500,000 people. They might get 400 sales on the very first day, but they might have 6,000 people go out and search Google for it. And you might get some of those people, and you just start making money, guys. And it's a proven system over and over again. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was of some value to you. This is your list that you need to do. My wish to you is that you put this to action and you start making some money. All right, guys. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions, post them below, and I'll help you, hopefully be able to answer that question for you. All right, guys. Peace out, and I will see you again tomorrow on the next video. And I hope you have a great day.